Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Arabian Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a luxurious and creamy Arabian pudding dessert, a rich and silky treat that melts in your mouth. Did you know Arabian desserts often feature rich dairy and nuts, making them both creamy and nutritious? Let's start. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon custard powder, 1/4 cup milk. Stir well and set aside. Use corn flour and vanilla extract as a substitute of custard powder. In a saucepan, add 2 cups milk. Let it boil. Add 1/4 cup sugar and mix well. Pour in the prepared custard mixture and stir continuously. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly thickened. Remove from heat and keep aside. In a bowl, whisk together half cup heavy cream and 3 tablespoons condensed milk. Use full-fat milk and fresh cream for extra creaminess. Mix well until smooth. Condensed milk was invented in 1856 as a way to preserve milk longer without refrigeration. Take bread slices and cut the edges. For a healthier version, use brown bread and honey instead of sugar. Arrange a layer of bread in a serving mold. Pour half of the custard mixture over the bread. Spread half of the cream mixture evenly. Thanks to milk and cream, it supports muscle growth. Repeat the process with another layer of bread, custard, and cream. Make it more indulgent by adding layers of caramelized nuts or chocolate chips. This recipe, high in calcium, the combination of milk, sugar, and bread provides long-lasting energy. Garnish with dry fruits for added crunch and flavor. A light, satisfying dessert for any time of the day, great for kids and adults. Keep in the fridge for at least 1 hour to set. Serve chilled and enjoy. Prefer warm pudding, heat for 30 seconds in the microwave before serving. This Arabian pudding dessert is so soft, creamy, and delicious. A perfect dessert for any occasion. Try it at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow Arabian Cake and Cookies for more amazing recipes. See you in the next video.